Hi folks, I'm Broadheader. I'm at the local gun range here in Romania, and this is the bulletproof vest that the guys from REDROCK sent me. This is a 3A level bulletproof vest, and I've tested only against 9mm full metal jacket and hollow point, and also against birdshot, and from the looks of it, it withstood the impact. So here at the local range of Exploziaserv from Botoșani County, I'm going to shoot it against the 45 ACP full metal jacket, 357 Magnum, and the mighty 500 Smith&Wesson Magnum, soft point that is. Okay, so I'm sure a lot of you want to know what the protection they want to buy can withstand, can stop. What bullets can it stop? What calibers can it front? So here at the Exploziaserv local gun range in Botoșani County, Romania, I, Broadheader, am going to test the bulletproof vest that the guys from REDROCK sent me against these three calibers, and also against slug, 12 gauge slug. So prepare yourself for the ultimate test. So remember, this is a 3A level NIJ level 3A protection bulletproof vest. So will it stop a 45 ACP full metal jacket? I have a CZ97B in 45. So, did we get any penetration from the 45 ACP? Well, I don't think so. Let's check it out. No, nothing came out. Next, the 357 Magnum. So, next caliber 357 Magnum out of this long-barreled Taurus. Dead center. Shot it right in the chest over here. It ripped the white fabric, but do we have any penetration? No, we don't have. So let's prove that I'm not lying. Nothing came out. So the next and last caliber is the mighty 500 Magnum. So are you ready for this ultimate test? So this is how big a 500 Magnum round really is. This is huge. This is even bigger than the 500 than the 50 AE from Desert Eagle. This is actually bigger than 50 Action Express. Like I said, it's the biggest handgun caliber in the world, and you can only find it in Romania at the Exploziaserv gun range. So, will a 3A bulletproof vest stop a 500 soft point Magnum round? Let's find out. Did you see the flame in front of the gun? Oh, this is huge. Ugh. Well, I was kind of expecting something to come out on the other side, but it didn't. No bend, nothing, and I reckon that either this one or this one are the entry points. And let's see if we have any. Let me hand check first. No. Wow. So no penetration whatsoever. So now, do you want to buy a bulletproof vest from REDROCK.eu.com? Look at the bulge that the 500 Smith&Wesson Magnum did. Oh no, sorry, there's no bulge actually. So just to be clear, there are absolutely no entry points, no bullet holes in this side, and this is the side that was actually shot at. Okay, so we have the bird shot over here and the bullet rounds. So I want to check to see if I found the bullet. It's no, I can't get it out. It's somewhere. It's in here. So I got the bullet. We have absolutely no penetration. So just a reminder, a level 3 NIJ ballistic anything is rated 3A because it must stop. It must be able to stop a 44 Magnum soft point round. Okay, shot from any pistol. You usually shoot these rounds from revolvers. So this is a bulletproof vest rated level 3A NIJ. So it's meant to stop only a maximum of 44 Magnum, and this one that I'm holding actually stopped a 500 Magnum soft point. The real test, the real deal, should have been done shooting a full metal jacket round nose, but the range doesn't have that at the moment, so I had to use what they gave me. Okay, so thank you very much. www.redrock.eu.com for the bulletproof vest. This is it, folks. It's still valid according to the producer. It was made in 2017. So date of issue is the 5th of 2017. Okay, so in May 2017. So it's still in full warranty. So the tests are still valid, but in my opinion, they would have been even better if this vest was expired. Let's say it was expired for about 10 years, and it would have still managed to stop a 500 Magnum full metal jacket. But this was the test. Thank you very much for watching. I'm Broadheader. Please subscribe, it will help me very much. And again, if you want to buy ballistic protection from REDROCK.eu.com, you should do it. Check the description below. Goodbye.